Hi everybody, welcome to today's technical analysis. Today we'll be looking at one of our favorite coin, which is XRP on the channel, right? An XRP, one of our favorite coins. Haven't performed that quite much this bull run, right? Even now, but one of the high performers in the bear market, as we can see, right, in the past 24 hours, you could see huge pump up for the price of XRP went to 0.47 and which is retraced a little bit to the zero point 0.5. And so we'll be looking at the charts. We'll be going to the chart to see what the price of XRP will do. And here's the chart of XRP on the daily, right? In the daily, as you can see, been respecting all the price levels. As we can see, we're in this range. Most of the coins have been in this range for a long while. So we've been ranging even for XRP, and we just broke out of that range, right? And that's why I believe XRP is very, very bullish. As we've always said, each time the EMA ribbons flipped, right, we could see that there was a huge, so we see the EMA ribbons flipped bearish here on the daily. We saw a huge change in the price, like we fell how many percent? We fell about 61%, right? So when we saw a flip, right, in the EMA ribbons, as you can see, the ribbons we flipped bearish. The red ribbon came up, the yellow came down, so that means it's bearish. We could see that we had a change of 61% in the price of XRP. But each time we see a flip like this, we saw a flip here, and XRP moved at about how many percent? XRP moved about 85%. So every time we see a flip on the EMA ribbons, especially on the daily, right, we should be expecting some very, very large moves in the price of XRP. And as we can see, same thing just happened now, right? The EMA ribbons just flipped bullish for XRP. And so we should probably be expecting higher prices for the price of XRP. Currently, from the lows, we could see from where it flipped bullish, we could see the price of XRP had moved just 43%, right? And I'll be showing you more reasons today why probably we should be expecting higher prices for the price of XRP, right? And as you can see, first is that the EMA ribbons have turned bullish, and now we're just coming to retest the support. As you can see, we had a little resistance around this period. There's a whole lot of liquidity here. So probably we might just come back to the 0.43 region to come test back the support, right, before we continue our upward movement, right? If we check some of the indicators, as you can see, our indicators are already flashing. This is the relative strength index is already flashing a huge H buy, right, on the time frame. That means we still have higher to go. Every time a red flashes, right, we should be evident that means a sell is coming, right? As you can see, flash here, we went down, and it's already flashing the green, telling us that we have further upward price action to go for XRP. So probably we should see XRP at the zero point 0.5 region first, and then we should be expecting XRP at the 0.70 region in the coming few days, right? If we go back to the lower time frames, right, it gives us a better understanding as to what is happening on the XRP price chart. And on the 12 hours, we can see that, right, we're still having the huge buy signal, like even on the oscillator, but the oscillation is telling us to be very, very careful, right, that XRP could actually come back to around the 0.39 to come retest back the support, right? Probably, as you can see, the EMA rebounds are about to turn. So we need a little push in the price of XRP for us not to dump. But probably this should act a lot as a heavy support. 0.43 should act as a very, very good support. And we could see the price of XRP shoot upwards to about probably 40% higher. So probably we're still bullish on XRP, right? We believe XRP uh, is going to have further price increase in the next few days. As you can see, probably we should have a correction, right? The 6 hours also giving us that we should have a correction probably to the 0.43, which we have a lot of liquidity at that place, like, and a lot of support, as you can see This is a lot of support. This has been support for XRP. So probably it was in the past a resistance, but now should be acting as a heavy line of support for XRP. And so we should see XRP come to around the 0.43 region before we can go back up to probably the 0.5 or even the probably and then the 0.7 regions, right? If we come to these other charts, right, this is on the weekly, and the weekly is already showing us that XRP is already getting close to the oversold levels, right? So we should be expecting a higher price word action. Probably we still need to correct a little bit so that the stochastic can come down a bit on the weekly, and then we could have a very, very huge, massive run for XRP. If we come to the 3 days time frame, we could see that our stochastic is at the record lows, at the very, very lows of where we are now. So probably we should be expecting uh, higher prices for the price of XRP, right? As you can see, in this chart, we can see that we're coming to retest these on the Bollinger Bands. We're coming to retest the middle line for the Bollinger Bands, and then probably around the 0.41, 0.43, and then we should push higher. But problem is that we're having a very, very bearish divergence on the MACD, and then our stochastic is also a little bit bearish. So probably we should see a little correction before going higher. If we push to our daily, as you can see, as we've been saying, confirming everything we've said on the chart, that we actually have to come back to our support around the 0.40 region. Right, as you can see, there's been a little rejection on the price of XRP. Our stochastic is still saying we have more higher price out action. As you can see, the MACD also bullish. Same thing with our RSI. Our RSI is at mid-range point. So probably we could see XRP come down to about the 0.43 region, right? Just a little correction before we move higher. And so that's it for the price of XRP. If you like the analysis, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. We should see higher prices, a little correction, then higher prices for the price of XRP in the coming few days or months. So if you like the channel, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you and have a blessed day.